Top 5 Best All-in-One Workbench. Number 5. Leadallway 7-in-1 Workbench Folding. For those who need a truly multifunctional workbench, the Leadallway 7-in-1 delivers. It functions as a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, creeper, dolly, and hand truck, with different load capacities depending on the mode: 550 pounds in scaffold and platform modes and 330 pounds in others. The adjustable height ranges from 20.47 to 30.7 inch, allowing for versatile usage across different projects. Its foldable design saves space and makes it easy to transport. With an upgraded power outlet and a 33Ft power cord, this workbench is perfect for plugging in tools like miter saws. The triangle design and heavy-duty materials ensure stability and strength, making it a reliable companion for any workspace. Coming in number 4, Wintools 4-in-1 Multi-Function Portable Folding Workbench. The Wintools 4-in-1 Workbench is designed for those who need maximum functionality in a portable package. It serves as a workbench, scaffold, creeper, and hand truck, offering a load capacity of up to 500 pounds, which makes it ideal for heavy-duty projects. The adjustable height legs allow for customization between 21.6 and 31.5 inches, ensuring a comfortable working height for any task. Despite its heavy-duty capabilities, it weighs only 37.4 pounds, making it easy to carry and store. Additional features like a built-in power strip, ruler, protractor, and accessory storage make this workbench a highly functional, all-in-one solution for both professionals and hobbyists. Coming in number 3, Disston Omni Plus 5-in-1 Workbench. The Disston Omni Plus offers an impressive 5 functions in one compact and portable package. It can be used as a work table, scaffold, dolly, creeper, and clamp station, making it highly versatile for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. The adjustable legs allow for 3 different height settings, accommodating various project needs. Its sturdy, non-slip surface supports up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for large projects like woodworking or automotive repair. With built-in features like a 110-volt power strip and USB charging port, the Omni Plus ensures you have everything you need at your fingertips. The lightweight, foldable design makes storage and transportation a breeze. Coming in number 2, Workpro Miter Saw Stand 5-in-1 Portable Workbench. The Workpro Miter Saw Stand is more than just a workbench. It's a complete mobile workstation. With telescoping legs that adjust to 3 different heights, you can set it up for optimal comfort and stability, no matter the task. The reversible panel with anti-skid grain and built-in scale allows for precision in your work. Its steel frame supports up to 330 pounds, making it sturdy enough for heavy-duty use. The integrated wheels make it easy to maneuver, and it even functions as a creeper or dolly when folded. This workbench also includes convenient tool mounts for quick miter saw attachment and storage compartments for small parts and tools, keeping everything organized and within reach. Coming in number 1, Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Worktable and Sawhorse. The Worx Pegasus stands out for its versatile design and durability. It easily folds up for portability and storage, making it perfect for both garage work and on-site projects. The 2-in-1 functionality allows you to switch between a sturdy workbench and a robust sawhorse, handling up to 1,000 pounds in sawhorse mode and 300 pounds as a workbench. Its spacious 31 by 25 inches surface area offers ample workspace for woodworking, painting, or repairs. The expandable design means you can link it with other workstables for even more space. The integrated clamping system, which includes 2 quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs, ensures a secure grip on your materials. Plus, the built-in measuring guide makes it a handy all-in-one tool.